Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Mostly Programming. My name is Vivek Garg, and in today's video we will do unboxing of the latest asset that I have got from Cognizant. So those of you who don't know, I'm currently working as an Android developer at Cognizant, and I've recently got an asset from Cognizant, and we would be unboxing that asset in today's video. You can also see that asset here in the video, but I'm not going to reveal it now. We are going to together see what that asset is. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do that. And follow me on Instagram. All the links are in the description below. You know the drill, right? Give a like, comment and share. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video and see the unboxing of the asset that I have recently got. So this package came in today morning. Let's open it, unbox it and see what's inside. So let me get rid of all this thermocol inside it. And there's a smaller box, of course. So let's get the smaller box out of the bigger box now, and let's get rid of all the tape and let's see what's inside. Okay, it's a MacBook Pro. Let's get it out of the box and unbox the MacBook Pro. It is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So let's see what's inside here. You can see all the details and the configuration. Let me also tell you what the configuration of this MacBook 13-inch is. Along with this, we have these two ports that we have. One is USB-C to VGA. We have three ports inside it. One is Type-C, one is USB, and one is for connecting your screen with the MacBook. And the other is USB-C to USB adapter, with the help of which we can connect our mouse or any other USB device. On opening the box, we have obviously the MacBook 13-inch, we have the adapter, some documentation, and we have the cable for charging our laptop through the adapter. So that's all that was in the package. The MacBook Pro 13-inch and the two USB ports, USB-C 2 ports, and here you can see me in the screen recording, so hello to you from there. So now we'll see. I have been using this MacBook for almost 2 months now, and it's really wonderful now, and I understand the difference between a MacBook and a Windows system. So that's about it. That's about this video. I hope you like the video. Give it a big fat thumbs up and also share with your friends. I'll be soon making the Cognizant starter kit unboxing video as well. So I'll be making that soon. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.